Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can zoom in as well as zoom out in Figma. So let us get started. So head over to Figma, access your design project. As you can see, I've been working on that website design or interface design here. So there are basically two different ways how you can zoom in and zoom out. Let's assume you're accessing Figma via Google Chrome on your desktop computer. So you will see that panel here on the right hand side. What you want to do, guys, is click on that arrow down icon next to design and prototype here, and here select your zoom in or zoom out effect from that drop down menu below. Like for example, you can zoom to 100% by clicking on it or by using that shortcut here, just like that. Or you may click into that arrow down icon again and decide to zoom in to 50% or 200% to get a better close-up of that interface here. So that's one way, guys. You may also, that's the second way, you may simply enter your custom zoom in effect or range here. Like for example, let me go to, I don't know, 25%, press enter. That is going to apply the 25% zoom. So if you'd like to return to the default zoom in effect, guys, simply click into zoom to fit or use the shortcut shift 1, and it is going to give it a default view. And last but not least, guys, the simplest way to zoom in or zoom out would be to simply press and hold left control on your keyboard or command if you're using a Mac, and use your mouse wheel to zoom in or to zoom out, moving back and forth your mouse wheel just like that. And that way you'll be able to zoom in or zoom out as much as you like, and even access or view the area you like here in your interface design, just like that. So let me scroll into that area here, or part of my design in the bottom left corner or in the top right corner of my interface design, and so on and so forth. So that's option number 3. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.